Hello everyone, welcome to NABARD Revision Snippet series, and today we are going to discuss soil physical property. First is soil texture. It is a proportion of sand, silt and clay. Size of clay particle is less than 0.002 mm, and for sand it is less than 0.02 mm. Sand is important for the drainage and aeration, and clay is important for the water holding capacity. Next is soil structure. It is the arrangement of soil aggregates. And natural aggregates are called as the pits, and the artificial aggregates are called as the clods. Okay, and granular and the crumb structure is beneficial or important or significant in the agriculture because it is best for the root growth and infiltration. Next is soil density. We have two: particle density and bulk density. Particle density, we just study the individual soil particle, and the PD value for normal soil is 2.65. And bulk density, we consider both solid soil particle and the pore space. Okay, so high bulk density indicates the compaction and low porosity, and addition of organic matter is going to reduce that porosity. That means the bulk density is going to reduce, and the low bulk density is what is desirable in agriculture. Next is plasticity. The montmolonite has highest plasticity, and it is present in the black soil. That's why black soil shows the shrinking and swelling capacity, right? And to show the plasticity, the clay content present in the soil should be more than 15%. Next is soil color. The Munsell color chart is used for soil color identification. It has three components: hue, value and chroma. Next is the presence of high organic matter gives dark color to soil. Presence of iron oxide gives red or yellow color to soil. And absence of oxygen and waterlogging condition gives grayish or bluish color to the soil. Mottling represents the fluctuating water table. Next is soil water. So please remember, gravitational water and hygroscopic water are not available to the roots. Only the capillary water that is present between 1/3 to 31 atmosphere is available to plant. Next is soil moisture constant. So available water is the water that is present between two constants, that is fill capacity and permanent wilting point. At fill capacity, water is held at minus 0.3 bar, and at permanent wilting point, the water is held at minus 15 bar. Please remember that even if you are going to apply the irrigation at permanent wilting point, the plant is not going to regain its turgidity. It is not useful after that. Okay, so PF scale represents how much energy is required for roots to absorb the water. If the PF 0 value indicates the soil is saturated, and PF 7 indicates the soil is over dry, that means it needs more energy to absorb the water. Next, hysteresis. It define the moisture content differs during wetting versus drying even at the same section. And lastly, the different methods like gravimetric, electrical conductivity and tensiometer are used to measure the soil moisture.